All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at ticker symbol FAMI, and this one is a request from the comment section. All right, so if there's any requests from you guys, from the viewers, let me know down in the comment section. I'll make an analysis video on a stock or a crypto you guys want me to, that you guys like or need some help on. Okay, so we're going to look at this on the daily chart right now, and I want to show you guys. Okay, look at the downtrend of this. This thing is trending down right now. Okay, so this is stuff that I personally do not like to invest in. I like to look at stuff that's going has a long-term uptrend. Okay, and or a more identifiable pattern. But with that being said, there are some juicy things going on right now with FAMI. Okay, that's what I'm gonna call it right now, FAMI. All right. The first thing I want to show you guys is there's a nice big juicy daily gap. Okay, up to, let's see here, almost about up to 80 cents a share. Okay, so you can get in now at around 25 cents, and just hold patiently. It might take a month, it might take 6 months, it might take a year or two, and you can hold until we get that gap fill, and you can sell there, and that'll be a nice return on your investment. Okay, but if you don't have the patience for that, and if you're looking for something a little bit more immediate, here's what I want you to pay attention to. Okay, is this support level where we originally found support after gapping down, right? And then the next one is going to be this support level right here at 0.1955, where after we broke that previous support level, that's where we ended up finding support at and recovering from. Okay, so those are our two key support levels that we need to maintain and keep an eye on. If you need help drawing support and resistance and kind of like figuring out where to put it and like how do you get those lines, I got a video in the top right hand corner. Okay, it really breaks it down kind of simple for you guys. Nice tutorial. Let's go ahead and dive back into the video, assuming that you do know how to draw support and resistance. And we'll go down to like the 1 hour chart. Okay, look at a smaller time frame, and we had a nice head and shoulders go right here. And I'll basically draw it for you guys so you can see it. But here's the left shoulder, right? Here's the head. Here's the right shoulder. And then boom, we drop down all the way to like right here today. Okay, so head, left shoulder, right shoulder, drop. And now it's recovering off of the 200 SMA on the small time frames. Okay, so we bounced near the 200 SMA, and then we're facing resistance at the 50 SMA, holding the 100 SMA. So I would look for, if this thing pulls back like it's doing currently at the time of watching this, I would look for it to hold this as support, hold this as support, and if it doesn't hold those as support, then down we go. Okay, and from there 0.219 is going to be our major support level, and if we don't find support here at 0.219, then it's basically a wrap for this buddy. And I think that it's going to go down here to to those previous lows around 0.19. Okay, so that's basically my take on it. I don't prefer investing in stuff like this, and if you guys are investing in things like this because it's cheap, because they're penny stocks, I really encourage you to join the options trading tycoons. We trade a lot of options which are related to stocks, but you can buy options for $10, $20, $50, $100. There's many different budgets for options, and you'll be able to trade options with us. And if you trade, I think like in your first week, let's say you had 50 or $100 to start off trading with, and you join the options trading tycoons Discord, pretty confidently I could say that you would double that money, at least have $100 in your account to trade with, after your first week of trading with the options trading tycoons. So link to join there is in the description below, and you can use code Zachly to get yourself a discount on the membership. Great stuff in there. Nobody else, there's information in there that you won't get from retail traders, and it's not my opinion, it's not stuff like that, there's data. Okay, we have there's the reason it costs money for the membership is because it costs money to get some of these data pools that we're getting right there. You have to pay for those memberships to get this data and stuff like that, and some of that stuff is expensive, but that's that stuff that gives you an edge over the market. It lets you see institutional buy-ins. Okay, we have tabs for dark pools, so you can see what's going on in the dark pools, what's being traded in there. Sometimes there's billions and billions of dollars, you know I mean, not sometimes, but every day there's billions of dollars. But sometimes the stock that you're trading and you're looking for, you'll see billions of dollars of it, trade in the equity blocks and dark pools. Okay, and that's some good insider info that you're not going to get unless you're joined and a part of the options trading sector's Discord.